Hey, Chad. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday to you. Panevi. Somebody about to hang out some laundry. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoying your Saturday so far. Yeah. Dooba dooba doo. So, chat finished with laundry. So, chat. Rubbish truck is. Go there. Yeah, we just something. Sprite kind of day. One beef patty. So Sprite with beef patty. So chat I'm in a taxi. So you're not by ASAP. Alright, so chats over by ASAP. So this is the outfit. Green dress with brown slippers and my brown handbag. And that's that. Mr. From what they may wear brown slippers and handbag. No man, too comfortable. I forgot to switch it up. Yep. So comment and tell me how am I looking. Catch up my listing and I wait on my name to call. What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay, that's 3 items. Alright, so the face cream, acne free, severe acne spot treatment, terminator 10. It is so little. So this is its shots. I see it. Okay. Alright, so as soon as I start with my face, I will be applying this. Yeah. I saw the remotes for the TV. Oh, this one. This is a universal remote. Yeah. How much battery this use? Oh, two AAA. So it's universal. Fire stick. Okay. TV on your stuff. This was packaged very well. Okay. I'll get first. This is the board. And I'm the other one of this, so this makes it two. It is so much up there, so other one of this by itself. The remotes. What else? And the manual. Where is the manual? Which something else bring it so. Woo! Two Amazon battery. And so this is all you get in the Fire Stick package. 2 batteries, the remote, the manual, the part here, this part, this, and this. And I said, let's take a quick shower. I dry my face and apply the cream. I'm going to apply it each day and see how it goes. So if it works, if it not work, we'll move on. I'll try something else. At least it have good review from it. So Terminator severe acne spot treatment, Terminator 10% benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. So while I use it, I'm going to tell you if it burns with this or that. I keep you guys updated. Maybe a couple days. I'm a fit detergent. So I'm just gonna apply it in the night time. I gotta do it in the daytime after my face with your so we'll be applying this only in the night time. So chat, we just registered the Fire Stick. So it says this Amazon Fire TV Stick HD has been registered to your account. Continue. So it says which brand of TV you have. With your Fire TV remote pointed at your TV, toggle the volume up and volume down buttons. Press that enter advanced settings. Okay. Who's watching Fire TV? Can the Fire TV set up? So chat, the universal remote ain't working with the telly. Not working. I use all the codes. It's not working. So this is the Fire Stick remote. I don't know what's going on with the volume. Like here I'm pressing till my finger hit me and the volume just not turning up. I had to switch back to the old remote to turn up the volume. And this is the batteries that came with the Amazon batteries. Okay, so I left it inside there. That's church I keep tonight. Sky clear tonight. I already seen a star in there in the chat.